Hello everybody, it's Anna here today again with another little bit of a Welsh lesson. And today we are walking the Wales coast path, well part of it. We're on the Llyn Peninsula and we're in a little place here called Borth Y Gest, and it's near PORTHMADOG. That's where maybe most people might know. But the Wales coast path, if you don't know, in Welsh, Wales coast path is Llwybr Arfordir Cymru. And it's 870 miles of unbroken, unspoilt coastal walking around the entire Welsh coast, making it probably the best walk in Wales. And it's the only place in the world that has the walk around the entire coasts. So Alf and myself, there's Alf. There was only us two on the beach that day, apart from a lady playing a guitar, singing down at the bottom, but we didn't get her on for one reason or another. There's myself. But we are going to be showing you different parts of the Wales coast path over the next few videos. So enjoy, you're very, very welcome. Remember, sea in Welsh is more. It's very, very beautiful. I don't know where Alf's gone, he's still up there. Steps in Welsh is camma. It is a bit precarious here, so I'm going to be careful. Ooh, see, I told you it's a bit precarious. Look at this. Sand in Welsh is tywod. And don't forget mountain is mynydd. Absolutely love it here, it's Borth Y Gest. Rocks is cerrig. Don't forget walking is cerdded. I do apologise, I'm sorry, I'm sniffing. Sniffing in Welsh is arogli. I've lost Alf. Oh, there he is. There he is. Got to be careful because when the tide's in, there is the soft mud banks and there is the strong currents. Oops! Let's go over here. Look at this. You see, not many visitors know about this. It's those of us that live around this area that know. Look at it. It's quite magical. It's like being in another country that's not in North Wales. See, it's getting quite sinky here. Sunset in Welsh is marchlyd. It's quite romantic for Alf and myself to be here on the beach at sunset. We're going out for a meal later. Sun in Welsh is hael. Walking on the sand in Welsh is cerdded ar y tywod. It's actually quite sinky. Look. Shoe in Welsh is esgid and shoes is esgidiau. See? Quite sinky. Tree in Welsh is coeden, remembered. And here's me at the harbour of Borth Y Gest. And Borth Y Gest, the meaning of the name, may come from the ancient township of Gest many centuries ago. Borth is a mutated form of the Welsh word for harbour or port. And the hill behind the village is called MOEL Y Gest, meaning Hill of Gest. And before PORTHMADOG was developed, Borth Y Gest was the crossing over the wide and dangerous Glaslyn Estuary, and locals earned money by guiding travellers across this treacherous sands of Traeth Mawr to Harlech. And if you look closely into the sea today, well not today, but these days, you may see a leatherback turtle. one thing that does have to be mentioned about visiting these beaches here in Borth Y Gest is to be aware of the following dangers on the beach, because there's a very strong current, fast flowing tide, steep shelving beach and deep water down where we were before, and also being aware of powered craft and sailing boats, and being mainly aware of being trapped on the sandbanks or rocks by the incoming tide, also of soft sand and mud. And when we were down there, I didn't get it on video, but Alf walked off ahead as he normally does, and my foot went way up past my ankle in mud. It was quite scary. Also being aware of underwater obstruction, steep and uneven paths, and swimming or bathing is not advised, or inflatables or bodyboards. So it's very beautiful. This is why nobody goes down there. Alf and myself were, like I said, the only ones down there, but it's absolutely stunning and spectacular. So I think we'll leave it there for today at Borth Y Gest, near PORTHMADOG on the Llyn Peninsula, North Wales, and part of the Wales Coast Path. And we'll say ta-ta for now, and we'll see you on the next adventure or the next Welsh lesson. Don't forget to keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And we'll see you soon. Ta-ta for now. Leave you with a sunset. No star.